Hi everyone, welcome to Vagaro University. Today, I'll show you how to configure contactless check-in and check-out. Vagaro offers both contactless check-in and check-out to minimize the time customers spend checking in and out so you can spend more time with clients and taking care of your business. Let's learn more about how to set up your contactless check-in and check-out feature on Vagaro. From the calendar, hover over Settings and select All Settings. Under Business, select Contactless Features. Under Contactless Highlights, explain how your business uses contactless check-in and check-out. This description will appear on your Vagaro listing page under your business description. Toggle on Contactless Check-in to use this feature. Contactless Check-in allows your customers to check in for their appointment when they're near or at your facility to reduce contact points and crowding in your waiting room and at your front desk. When a customer arrives for their appointment, they'll use the Vagaro customer app to check in, which will send a notification to the service provider that they've arrived. The customer can then wait in their car or nearby until you send a notification that you're ready to see them. After a customer checks in, display a custom message from your business for them to read. Finally, let's set up our contactless checkout. To use this feature, toggle on Contactless Checkout. Note that in order to offer your customers a contactless checkout experience, you will need Vagaro credit card processing. You can send a checkout screen to the client's mobile device by sending a link to the client's device by text or email, or asking the client to scan a QR code from your device. Once sent, the customer can finalize their checkout from their device. You've successfully set up contactless check-in and check-out. For more helpful tips and tricks, click the Vagaro University link in the description below.